Another swing of the room. This is, like I said, my budget-friendly office tour. You don't need a lot of money to have a calm space. Hello, beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat, and you're watching Plain and Calm. And here in this channel, I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. Now, on my last video, if you haven't seen my last video, I would highly recommend that you check it out. I'll put it up in a card and on the screen there for you. And I asked in my last video if you'd like to see an office tour. So I thought I would turn the camera in a different view today and capture my office. Now, just to preface this video by saying this is not a TikTok worthy, aesthetically pleasing, painted correctly office. This is just basically a space that I wanted to create for a number of reasons. Firstly, I'm a high school teacher, and the school that I'm at, I no longer have an office space. I do have a classroom, but I don't have an office space this year as opposed to last year. So I needed an office place where I can do my marking, things like that. But the most important reason why I created this office space in my home is because I really want to spend more time and dedicate more time to doing what I love to do, which is building this plain and calm community. And so I needed the space to spread out my resources and supplies and to be able to present more content for you folks. So that was the primary reason for creating this office space. This is Plain and Calm headquarters, if you will, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Also, disclaimer that I'm not a decorator, I'm not a professional, and I was working with a shoestring budget. So this is a budget office tour. I didn't really buy anything new with the exception of the rug behind me. You can see it on the floor there. I got that off Amazon, really reasonably priced. And I think the only thing else I got new for this room was the wallpaper, and that's peel and stick wallpaper. So what I'm gonna do, I apologize, I'm like a little bit misty. One, hot flashes, and two, I'm just getting off work and I look a hot mess express. As I always say, busty, rusty, and crusty, but I'm here for it. Thank you for being here. If you like rusty, busty, and crusty, baby, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more planning content. So without further ado, welcome to my budget-friendly office tour. Hope you enjoy. All right, here we go. So this, my friends, is my office tour, and I want to thank you all for being here for my budget-friendly office tour. So I thought what I would do is I thought I would take you around and show you how I have organized and all the things I have in my budget-friendly office here. So what we did was my husband and I, Mr. Calm, we decided to take one of our guest rooms in our home and turn it into Plain and Calm headquarters. So that is what you're seeing here. And all the things here, with the exception of the carpet, which I got off Amazon, and the wallpaper, which I also got off Amazon, is thrifted or free. So when I talk about budget office, I'm not kidding. So here we go. Wow, they're from Amazon, and they were actually in our basement, and I brought them up to put in my office here. I have a variety of books here. For those of you who don't know, I am a grad student, so a lot of my grad work is in culturally responsive education and Afro-Canadian, African dysphoria. I can never say that word. And I'm also tired from a long day of teaching. But I have a lot of Afrocentric books and reads there from a Canadian context. So yeah, most of my shelves have these books here. And I'm also a humanities teacher, high school humanities teacher. So a lot of these books I use in my classroom as well. This is, this sounds so juvenile, but this is actually one of my favorite books ever, my picture atlas. I've had that for years and I absolutely love it. But yeah, and just more things here. Yeah, so this is my first bookcase here, and this is my Brother printer and my Happy Planner stapler. I use this for making my DIY planner. If you missed that video, I will link it in the cards and down below. And this is the shelf here that I keep my, excuse my toes, my morning basket. I have all my morning goodies in there, along with some planner goodies there. And then this is the top of my office space. Now, I apologize, I didn't clean up or anything before I decided to film this. I probably should have. The only thing I did was I turned over some personal pictures of family and friends because I didn't ask their permission to be shown on the internet. So I did that, but I did keep a picture up of my parents because I love them. And yeah, they're wonderful to me. But this is actually a bulletin board I got off Temu a long time ago. And at first I was like, what the heck is this? And I was going to send it back because, I mean, the quality, but I made it work for me. And it was so inexpensive. I think it was maybe $5. And I didn't want to spend any more money at the time that I bought it because I originally bought it for my classroom. But I decided to make it work in this office, and I feel like it worked out great. You may have remembered this container here. I just use my Tombos, keep my Tombos in there. My Rae Dunn containers. I used to be a Rae Dunn fanatic a long time ago, and that's why I have these pieces here. But I absolutely love it. It's just such a great aesthetic. I have some at school too, and my students love it. And below here is these acrylics that I keep my washi tape in. So I have a variety of washi tape. I've really slimmed down my collection on a lot of things, actually. Washi tape being one of them. And then this one just has just some random things in here. I just moved into this office not too long ago, and then school started. So I haven't had, oh, sorry, loud car. So I haven't had an opportunity to organize everything, like all the nooks and crannies, but I definitely intend to. Here is my current read. I'm finally reading this book after having it on my shelf forever. My laptop and my Delphonics pouch that I have. I keep assortment of things in here. I try to use it. And then my the back of my camera, or sorry, the back of my phone is the pop socket. And then this is my teacher planner. And then here are my most used planners and notebooks at the moment. So I just keep them in this section. And then this is a plant that I think is from IKEA that I've had for a long time. Okay, so on this side is just some more books here. So at the top, this picture here, I believe I got it from Temu. Again, a while ago. This I've had for years. These candlesticks, I think they've been rolling with me for the last 15 years. Artificial plants I've had forever. A lot of these things were in my office at work and in my classroom. But since I don't have one this year, I've just brought them home and they're in my office now. This is my spiritual faith shelf. So I have all things for my Bible study. Anything that's not in my morning basket is on this shelf here. So I have assortment of Bibles and devotionals, things like that. And then this shelf here is all my planners. So planners and special notebooks, except for this one here. I don't know why that's there. But most of my planners and notebooks are on this shelf. And then this is just random stickers and other books. And then this is, again, more stickers, notebooks. And then the bottom shelf, I just have some thank you cards and things. And then just some more supplies. And then this, if we can just back up here a little bit. This is actually a closet that is unfinished. I tell you, this is realistic budget basics, but I still have to put another coat of paint on that, and I have to put a door on that. So that's incomplete at the moment, but yeah, that's my closet. And this shelf here contains just some organized planner supplies here. So I have pens and pencils, markers, and other things like that. These stickers I got from Amazon, I believe, and they were super inexpensive a long time ago. Moving out, this is probably my favorite feature. I've always dreamt of having a loft space with a brick wall. I know, call me crazy, but anyway, but this is my notion, my nod to that, and I absolutely love my faux brick wall. This is just peel and stick adhesive wallpaper, and I love it. And yeah, I feel like it suits the space really well, and I just love it. And in the corner here, there is an IKEA, very inexpensive lamp. Had it for a while, super cheap. This couch here was a freebie from my in-laws. They just gave that to me so I can put it in here. We have the larger one in our living room, which is adjacent here. And then on this wall here is a picture that I've got. I can't even tell you, it's been so long. But here, this is just this cubby organizer. I have these like little boxes that I got also from Amazon a while back. Junk, and more junk are just stored in there. These baskets, on the other hand, though, these are empty right now, just using it for some work-related stuff, planning comm stuff. But I got these from Riesenthal. I want to say almost 20 years ago or something. These are my all-time favorite bins. Love them. And then I have a plant. This used to be in my classroom, but he's not doing so good. So I brought him home so I can tend to him more. And this fake plant is from IKEA. And here in this bin here is kind of my most reached for daily beauty items. So I have a hair grease. It's usually here or in my morning basket. I just got a shipment of Lumi products that I put in here just today. So I'm happy to try these out. Best body oil. I also have these ones here. These ones were nice. And whoops, they smell good. Can you tell I like oil? And EOS. TikTok made me buy it, and I'm so glad I got influenced because these are the best smelling lotions ever. So moisturizing, so luscious, so wonderful. I got this Way body spray here. That's a hair and body. And then I have some more oil here. And then I also have the Way body butter or body cream here. So yeah, I just like to come in the morning here after I use my morning basket, which is here, and then after I'm done that dry brushing and doing all my morning ablutions, if you will, then I like to come over here and just kind of get myself spruced up. So that's why it made sense to have this stuff here. And lastly is my blocking pad. So I like to bust this out if I am just wanting to work out and just wanting to walk. If I'm on my computer, I'll just wheel this over, put it here, and then I can walk and, do some stuff on the camera or in front of the camera or in front of the computer rather, and just be productive that way while getting in my steps. Just another swing of the room. This is, like I said, my budget friendly office tour. And I hope you enjoyed. I really enjoyed sharing it with you. And just to remind you that you don't need a lot of money to have a calm space to create and to find your peace and balance. I love to sit on this couch and read my Bible or read a book and just lounge out, just me and and myself. And it's such a great place to be. So thank you so much for enjoying this tour. I just noticed this picture. This is a picture of Mr. Calm when he was young. He would kill me if he was showing that, but he's such a handsome guy. I love him. But anyway, but yeah, thank you so much for watching, my friends. Tell me and comment down below what is something that you keep in your office if you have one or if you wish to have one. And I know this is a luxury that I am so grateful for. So I thank God that I have an opportunity to have this space in my home. I wish I had this during COVID, but we didn't live here at the time. But this is such a great space. This is such a great space to be and to have, to be able to bring more content and quality things to you folks. So thank you so much for watching, my friends. Take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next planner video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my ass.